president. He passed away at 1975, and after that, our governor want to honor him and memory him. So build this memory hall, finished at 1980. And this is our national theater, and the other side is our national council hall. The weather is perfect.
Perfectly perfect to go in different places.
When it's summer here, is it super hot?
Yes, and high humidity, just like Philippines. In summertime, the temperature will go up to 36, 37, but it's very high humidity, so not so comfortable. Okay, here is our front gate of our Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Treat this place just like a big park, and so many events will launch here. Just like you see, they are making the stage.
They're making a stage.
Making a stage to launch some event.
Oh,
You
they
can see
rent a bicycle.
Yes, and that's easy. Even you don't have the easy car, you can register by your credit card. So you can rent that.
Alam mo yun, ito yung masarap eh. Yung papakapagod ka para magtrabaho, para mag-duty. Tapos pagka medyo nakapag-save ka na, ito na yun. Pwede ka mag-travel 2 beses sa isang taon, pwede. Alam mo yun, ito yung reward mo sa sarili. Diba babe? Yan, sobrang sulit. Kahit medyo mainit siya guys dito sa Chiang Kai-shek, sulit naman, lamig. Yan o. Dalas ko lang panoodin sa vlog to, pero I'm finally here. Yun. Tama-tama yung looks natin. Nakapang summer outfit tayo pero malamig. Yes.
Grabe guys! Ang laki! Kita niyo yung mga castles. Das, ginagawa na nila itong mga event. Dito sila nag-event. OTC. Grabe guys. Amazing. Sure.
Hindi naman kasi malaki ang ano niyan gamit.
So we're walking and walking. Salita ka babe.
Yeah. Ang lamig.
Kahit may araw, maganda yung panahon. Hindi ka papabuisan. Right?
Yeah.
Hindi ka papawisan dito.
Mga sa part na to. Kaya tayo mag-picture dyan sa ano.
This is the better weather daw going in Taiwan. November.
November.
But during December until February, it's winter. So it's cold. Colder than this.
Against the lights, diba? Pag dito nag-picture.
Sa taas? Hindi ah.
Eh,
Dali, dun pa tayo magpipicture oh.
anong oras ba yan?
Wait. 8:51. Doon muna tayo mag-picture sa ano, sa taas ayun oh. Yung white. Tapos pupunta kami doon guys. Ayan.
Cut mo muna. Guys, ito yung service namin, oh.
front of us is the highest mountain in Taipei City. Is 1,120 meters.
When we ride, when we're in our gate and going down here, I can see the big mountains.
Yes, yes,
There's a lot of fog.
yes, yes, yes.
It's foggy.
It's very beautiful, right?
It is. And when we go back in the Philippines, I want to sit down in the window side.
Yeah, it should be. In Taiwan.